mediastinum. The space between the right lung and left lung is called mediastinum. The space between right lung and left lung is called mediastinum. Heart is located in mediastinum, but closer to left lung. Right. Heart is four chambered. 1 right atrium, 2 left atrium, 3 right ventricle, 4 left ventricle. Why are they? Why are four chambered found? Due to the presence of three septa. First septum means crosswalk. Inter-auricular septum. And second one is interventricular septum. And third one is auriculoventricular septum. So, three septa make four chamber. Three septa, three crosswalks make four chambered heart. Right atrium and left atrium are the two chambered formed from inter-auricular septum. Right ventricle and left ventricle, these chambers are formed by interventricular septum. Two auricles and two ventricles are separated by auriculoventricular septum. The size of the heart is the size of the fist of a person. Fist of a person. Heart is totally muscular. All visceral organs are muscular, but heart is cardiovascular. Muscular system is divided into three types: striated, unstriated, cardiac. This is specialized muscles, means cardiac muscles. We don't say visceral muscles, but it is a visceral organ. Heart is a visceral organ, but we don't say visceral muscle. We say cardiac muscular, or we can say myocardium. In human, heart is developed between 40 to 55 days of the fetus. Heart is developed and starts functioning between 40 to 55 days in the fetus. Right. Entire heart is covered by a peritoneum called as pericardium. Peritoneum means covering of the visceral organs. Renal capsule is the peritoneum of kidney. Pleura is the peritoneum of lungs. Any visceral organ is enveloped by, is covered by a layer called peritoneum. So, peritoneum of the heart is pericardium. Peritoneum of the lungs is pleural membrane. Like that we say. Pericardium is two-layered, filled by pericardial fluid, which functions in friction of the heart, because heart is to contract and relax, because totally it is muscular organ. The unique feature of the muscle is contraction and relaxation. That is a unique feature of muscle. So contraction and relaxation may bring the friction problem. That is overcome by pericardial fluid. If the fluid increases, this is called pericardial effusion. Increased pericardial fluid causes a disease called pericardial effusion. Right. and right atrium thin muscular, left atrium thick muscular, right ventricle thick muscular, left ventricle thick muscular. See, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle are thin. Left is thick. The muscular layer is thin in atria or in auricles and right atrium. Very thick in left ventricle. Why? Because ventricle only pumps the blood out. Pumping out of the blood from the heart needs a thick muscles. So that left ventricle is made up of thick muscles. Right atrium and right ventricle are separated by auriculoventricular septum. In that septum, 3 flaps. They are called tricuspid valve. What is the function of valves? Means no backward flow of blood. Backward flow of blood is prevented. Blood has to enter from right atrium to right ventricle only. From right ventricle to right atrium, blood does not flow because of tricuspid valve. Same thing here also. Here only 2 flaps are available, bicuspid or mitral valve. It permits the blood only from left atrium to left ventricle. These valves are held in position by chordae tendineae or the special muscles present in ventricles only. Chordae tendineae hold the valves. Tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve are found in their position by chordae tendineae. Right. Right atrium, left atrium, both are separated by interauricular septum. Okay. I have not drawn the blood vessels. I have drawn only the heart. Let us study about first right atrium. Right atrium consists of only deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood collected from all parts of the body. Deoxygenated blood only is found here. Impure blood. Right atrium only collects impure blood from both parts of the body. From both parts of the body. So, from the whole parts of the body, right atrium collects means that is by venous system. Because veins carry impure blood. Venous system. Right. What help in collection of impure blood? Openings of right and left superior vena cava. That means if you say the heart, this is head. From head above the heart, from head, right superior vena cava. This is left superior vena cava. They bring the impure blood for right atrium. For that opening is there. Openings of right and left superior vena cava. Next, below the heart, impure blood is collected by inferior vena cava. Below the heart. So almost Y shape. Y shape. This is right superior vena cava. This is left superior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava. This is right atrium. Here heart. Heart above by right and left superior vena cava, and heart below inferior vena cava. All the openings are found in right atrium. Another opening is called coronary sinus in the right atrium. Coronary sinus. Coronary means heart. Cardiac means heart. Coronary means heart. Coronary means heart. Intensive coronary unit. Heart. Intensive coronary unit. Coronary means what? In the sense, heart muscles improve that is collected by coronary vein. This coronary vein ends as coronary sinus. Coronary sinus. Then right atrium. From heart muscles, into blood is collected by coronary vein. The coronary vein opens into right atrium by coronary sinus. That means independent connection. Heart above, right and the left superior vena cava. Heart below, inferior vena cava. Separately from heart muscles, coronary sinus. These are all openings present in right atrium. Then, right atrium has SA node. SA node. This is called natural pacemaker. Which starts heartbeats. Heartbeat is started by SA node. Naturally, that's why it is called natural pacemaker. Which begins the heartbeat. Right. This natural pacemaker, SA node, is repaired. Means heart will not undergo heartbeats. For that, artificially man-made pacemaker. Artificial pacemaker is made by man because its natural pacemaker sinoauricular lobe is not functioning. For that, they use battery and lightest metal. What is the lightest metal? Lithium. With the help of lithium, lightest metal, they prepare artificial pacemaker with battery. If the battery has charge, full charge, no problem. If battery is repaired, immediately the person dies with heart attack. Heartbeat stops. So based upon that, cardiologist may give you duration, 2 years, 1 year, 6 months. Because based upon the battery ability. Battery ability we are not sure. We are purchasing cells or we are charging our mobiles. But the battery is not guaranteed one. Like that only, if the battery duration is failed, immediately heart block occurs. Heartbeat stops. Another one. Atrioventricular node, AV node. The heartbeat relay is delivered to AV node. Heartbeat. That is about the electric gradient, which is transferred to AV node. Then AV node spreads the heartbeat for other chambers. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, all the chambers are getting electric gradient due to the AV node. AV node spreading. SA node creating. SA node creates. AV node delivers. So this is about right atrium. This is left atrium. This is interauricular septum. It is bicuspid wall. Then what? It will be auriculo ventricular septum. On auriculo-ventricular septum, there is bicuspid wall or mitral wall. Left atrium consists of oxygenated blood. That means pure blood. Having only openings of pulmonary vein. In human, totally all veins carry impure blood. But pulmonary vein carries pure blood. All the veins carry impure blood in human body. But pulmonary vein carries pure blood. What is the other vein in human life carries pure blood? What is the another vein in human life carries pure blood? Already I told you pulmonary vein carries pure blood. All the veins carry impure blood. Another vein pure blood carries in human life. What is that? Think of it. I said in human life, not in human. Umbilical vein. Present in fetus. Present in fetus between mother's womb, mother's uterus and fetus. In pregnancy period, pulmonary vein carries pure blood. Pulmonary artery carries impure blood in fetus. In fetus, pure blood is carried by vein, umbilical vein. Pure blood is carried by umbilical vein. Impure blood is carried by umbilical artery between mother's uterus and fetus. So there are two veins carrying pure blood in human life. One is in the fetus, umbilical vein. Another is in human, pulmonary vein. And ventricles are made up of muscles, thick muscles. They are called bundle of His, which is divided into small fibrous muscles. They are called Purkinje muscles. And very thin fibrous muscles is called a tendinae. Bundle of His Purkinje muscles help in pumping of blood from ventricles to outside the heart. Bundle of His Purkinje muscles help to pump out the blood from ventricles to outside the heart. Auricles are not included. Ventricles to outside the heart. Outside the heart means impure blood, pure blood. Outside the heart means one side impure blood, other side pure blood. Impure blood is sent into lungs. Outside the heart means impure blood is sent into the lungs. Outside the heart, pure blood is sent out means aorta to arterial system or arterial system. So outside the heart, impure blood is sent into lungs. Outside the heart, pure blood is sent into aorta, then arterial system. Auricles not involved. No involvement of auricles. Blood is directly pumped out of the heart by ventricles. Blood is directly pumped out of the heart by ventricles. Auricles have no role in pumping out of the blood. Two kinds of blood are pumped out: impure blood to lungs, pure blood to the aorta or arteries. That you remember.